Hi friends, this is Mandeep. Now we are going to see Marquee tag. What is the use of Marquee tag? By using Marquee tag, we can scroll the data. By using Marquee tag, we can scroll the data. Here I am writing. This is sample text. Right click and open in browser. If you observe, the data is scrolling from right side to left side. To increase the speed, we have one more option, that is scroll amount. To increase speed, we have one more attribute, that is scroll amount. By using the scroll amount, we can increase the speed. It is increased. Instead of 10, I will use 20 and I can check the output. Now it is scrolling a little bit speed. Instead of 20, if I use 50, refresh, again the speed is increased. Like that, we can increase the speed, that is scroll amount. And we have one more attribute in here. I will write 15, and we have one more attribute, that is behavior. Don't use you. The spelling of behavior as attribute is behavior. It is not vior. Here I am writing that the default behavior is scroll. The default behavior is scroll. Refresh the page. If you observe here, if you observe the output, the text is scrolling from from right side to left side, and it is hiding. And again it is starting from the right side to left, right to left, right to left, like that it is scrolling. Now we can use one more thing, that is bg color. Here I am giving the color is pink. Now refresh the page. The background bg color means background color. Bg color means background color. In that behavior scroll, we have one more attribute. In that behavior we can use three values. One is scroll. Here the scroll is the default one, and we can use slide and alternate. First I will show you the slide. slid is slide, and now refresh it. Here if you observe, it is moving from right side to left side, and in slide it will stop at left side only. Yes, here it is stuck at left side, that is slide. And we have one more option, that is alternate. ALTRNAT, alternate. These are the three options we can use in the behavior refresh. When you give alternate, it will move from right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right. Always it will scroll like that. That is behavior. That is behavior. And we have one more attribute, that is direction. Direction. By default, direction is left. Okay. Here I am going to delete this behavior. But the default behavior is scroll. That's why no need to mention. Okay. Here the default default direction is left. If you want to change the direction, okay, here I am using, instead of left, I am using right, and then refresh. Now it is moving from left side to right side, from left side to right side. Next I am giving width, I will give height. height is equal to 200. Now refresh. The size of the element is increased, and here the direction is up. Now refresh. It is moving from bottom to top. Okay, we can use one more value, that is down. When the value is down, it will move from up to down. These are the options. These are the values we can use in the direction, and these are the values we can use in the behavior. And we have one more value, that is loop is equal to, here I am giving 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 iterations, the content will not scroll, it will hide. That is loop. Okay, like that we can control the number of iterations. And we can write one more thing, that is marquee tag inside the marquee tag. Okay, now I will write that one now. The first in that marquee tag I am writing, this is text, this is sample text. Okay, now here the behavior is alternate. Here the behavior is alternate. Already you know how it will work. When the behavior is alternate, it will scroll from right side to left side. Okay, now I am going to keep this marquee tag in another marquee tag, marquee, marquee. Open the marquee and close the marquee. In that marquee tag, I am giving the direction direcect direction is down. Okay, here if you observe, when the behavior is alternate, it will move from left to right, right to left, like that. When the direction is down, it will move always it is going trying to scroll the data to the down, that means bottom. Now I want to mention some height and width, that's why here I am writing height equal to 200 and the width equal to 200. Now it is like a box. First we will see how it is. It is scrolling like this. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to give one more thing, that is border. If it is border, then we can know how much space it is going to occupy on the web page. That's why here I am giving like that. I am giving border 2 pixels, solid and red. Okay, whatever the color you want. Now that is the box. Now the content is scrolling in that box only. Okay, now it is like this. Now what I want to do is I want to give one more thing, that is behavior alternate for the first marquee also. Okay, copy and then paste. Now check the output, how it is scrolling. Okay, in that box only it is moving. Like that we can move any data. Okay, now I want to do one more thing. Copy the text and this is text 2 and then save it and then refresh, how it is moving. Now 2 texts are moving like that. Now it is like this. Like that it is moving. This is Marquee tag. Thank you friends.